Hey guys, I recently picked up the Menards Tool Shop hot dog air compressor, the little one. And before I did so, I looked online for some reviews, and the only thing I could find really was some guy that was clearly stoned just reading off the box. So I figured I would make a video. So I opted for the combo kit. I guess that includes the air hose, the brad nailer, and then a couple of pretty much useless attachments for me at least. Um, Generally, so far from what I've done with this air compressor, it's been all right. Here is the tank pressure gauge. Again, here's the pressure relief valve, and then here's the line pressure gauge. So this is actually controlling how much goes out in the line, and you can control that with that knob there. So I figured I would put the brad nailer on, even though I probably will never use the brad nailer. It seems decent, for light trim work, I guess. I wish I had opted not to go for the combo kit though, and just get like a Harbor Freight hose and attachment kit, because I actually had to end up going to Harbor Freight anyway and spending another $10 on an air gun, which is the main reason for me. This air compressor is good for me, at least for just like cleaning out carb jets and inflating tires and stuff like that. It's really not recommended that this be used as for impact guns or paint sprayers or anything like that. So give me a second here. I'm going to attach the brad nailer and then demonstrate that really quick, and then I'll put the air gun on and spray a little bit. So with this brad nailer, and pretty much any brad nailer, you have to push down on this confirm here, and then pull the trigger. So if I do ever decide to do any trim work, I think this would be more than sufficient, and it seems to be feel decent in the hand. So I'll pop this off, put the air gun on, and then the air compressor should kick on, and you can hear what it sounds like. Another nice thing about this, all the lines came Tefloned already. Might be able to hear that now. Some of them aren't that great, so I'm going to have to re-Teflon that. That actually might be the air gun. But just kind of regulating the pressure here to output as much as possible. I got to blow some shit out of my chainsaw here. Yeah, I mean, this is exactly what I was looking for. For 49 bucks for just the compressor, and then you add another 10 or 15 for the accessories. Pretty decent air compressor all around. So again, for 50 bucks, not bad at all. If you're looking to do a little bit more than just cleaning and spraying, you might want to go with a bigger air compressor, something more suitable for this.